Hey YouTubers, today we've got a Discovery 3, I believe it's circa 6 or 7, 2.7 diesel engine in it. What we're going to do is change the pollen filter, or cabin filter. I hope you enjoy the video. So it lives up behind here, so what I need to do, take everything out, obviously. Let's see if I can get some light on, show you what we need to do. So I have, get the torch out of the way, this arm here, and you have one the other side. And the idea is push them down, both together, and this will drop down. So I can do it. Push them both down. It comes out. I'll probably show you that angle. So it's just a little clip. So just push, and it comes out there. And exactly the same on the other side. And here is where the filter lives. Take note of the airflow. I'll just grab something to hook that out with. Yeah, I mean, it's a straightforward job. Lots and lots of places don't bother doing the cabin filters. Don't understand why. I know some of them can be a bit of a pain. Again, take note of the old flow. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, not too sad actually. There's a new one. Let's have a look at the flow. Up. Just slide it in. That's the cover. That end hooks in, and that end clips on. So we'll hook it in down here if we can. So that's hooked in on the end there. You see, just slides in. Just give this a little push. Looks like we're good there. Then what we've got to do is give it a little pop up. And that's the cabin filter changed. Hope you enjoyed that little video on how to change the cabin filter on Discovery 3. I believe they're the l319s. Yeah, straightforward process. Don't understand why a lot of garages don't just do it when they should be done. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and leave comments and questions in the box below. Great to have some feedback from you guys. Maybe ideas on other videos, car related of course. You know, bits and pieces that you might want me to film while I'm doing. Thanks for watching.